Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disallow message requests on your account on Discord on your server. Easy and quick. First click here, and now here we'll find allow message requests. Click like this and it should be turned off, and that's it. That's how to disallow message requests on your account on Discord on your server. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.